With the 15 tooth gear, RPM bumper guard in the front, and my homemade roll cage, the rear and the front, with the ESC fan 22 degrees. Let's get some runs. Oh, no whaleys, but you can see the water on the dirt. Icy indeed. Come in for a nice spin. Not going to get this punch any higher, and it looks like I just hit 50%. Unless it's 30. I don't feel that my 3S 4000 30C burst is doing a good job. Score! Reverse. That's the end of my gear. Must have came off. Let's see if we have a loose pinion or LBC. We're LVC. I don't like LVC because there's no way you could shut this off. And that's the end of the run. See y'all later. Fully charged battery, don't like the cold.